I'm the best digital marketer the world has ever seen.
I'm the one who knows how to really get the message out there. My campaigns are exploding.
I'm still better. I'm the one who's taking over the market. My campaigns are more successful than yours any day.
You two have been debating who is the best digital marketer, but the real winner is the one who uses animation for their campaigns. Associate yourself with this craft and you will be given the true power of digital marketing.
Visit www.wowanimation.co and unleash the power of animation.